Saw recently in the news that UNH, University of New Hampshire, was phasing out, ending its journalism major soon in the near future. And this wasn't news to me, not at all. I started my blog in 2004, 20 years ago, and frankly, I saw the writing on the chalkboard, if you will, a long time ago, that traditional media, journalism, communications was soon to be in the rearview mirror. We, as organizations, institutions, businesses, as a society, shouldn't be running for the hills when it comes to social media, digital media, online communications. We should be running towards social media, not away from it. Social media is not the problem. It's how some people use it. Yes, so we should be teaching it at a relatively young age and realizing, obviously, clearly, that it is here to stay and has been here to stay pretty much since its emergence. Social media, certainly the big channels, are just that, too big to fail. We are doing young people a disservice if we try to ban social media channels or take away kids' phones or take away phones anywhere, meaning like in concerts or museums or what have you. What I'm saying is embrace all these new emerging technologies that allow people to communicate with one another. Embrace them, incorporate them, integrate them into our workflow, into our day-to-day, and realize that social media, digital communications, online communications, the internet, period, can be used to our advantage as a society if we all learn how to use it properly. So let's teach it, let's embrace it, and let's, like I say, do just that. Run towards it, not away from it.